Hey, hi, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, hi, is Maureen. My name is Maureen. It's the YouTube babe right here. Drum roll. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, guys, and in today's video, we're going to be diving into lemon as the real political. The real? Okay. Lemon, something that has been used for centuries and centuries. I'm going to be telling you the benefits, how to use it, the side effects, and what you should watch out for. We do not want you to mess your skin up. Okay, this is lemon for the face, lemon drinking water. Yeah, I'm going to be sharing with you my personal experience. I've used it in two different strategies, and I want us to look at both ways for the best benefits. Okay, and so as we dive into that, I really appreciate it because this is a video full of what I know. This is everything you need to know about lemon. So just give us that like, just like the video. You can talk to me in the comment section, you can share us out there, tell someone about this channel. I do make sure that you do subscribe. Just subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any product review. Okay, and I'll also be placing a link in the description for more reviews, more products, soap, name them all. Okay, well, I know we have different colors of lemon. We have yellow, we have green, but actually this lemon, I just picked it outside from our tree. Yeah, we have a tree of lemon, so you can see I have it. I have lemon in plenty of supply. Also, you can get lemon from the market, you can get lemon from the supermarket. Okay, it's just an easy product that you can actually get for less than $1. I think it's quarter than, yeah, I think it's half $1. You can have several. Just yeah, half $1, that is 50 Kenya shillings. You can have more than one. Yeah, this one I have cut one lemon. This one I've cut a piece because yeah, I was using it and all, and so this is the remaining. This is a full one waiting to be used. I have used the product twice in two different ways. The first way, I started using it and then stopped, and then I discovered another way in which I can actually use, and that way it seems to be more effective than the previous way. And as we dive into those strategies, into those ways, I want us first to look at the benefits of lemon onto your face. A majority of the people ask, does applying lemon on my skin help my skin, or does it just irritate the skin, ruin the skin and all? Well, we'll be looking at that. The first thing you should know is that a majority of times are when we're told use a vitamin C serum. Well, lemon has its own vitamin C, and so this vitamin C helps in the production of collagen, and that is very useful for your skin. It helps when it comes to matters of anti-aging, doing away with wrinkles, and so it creates a youthful factor. Who doesn't want to remain young forever? If given the chance, I'll be like, I wanna be young forever. Well, so one thing you should know is that you can use it as an anti-aging factor, whereby it helps in matters of wrinkles and giving you that youthful skin. The other benefit of lemon is that you should expect it to do away with acne. It helps in the treatment of acne. Okay, it helps in the treatment of acne. The other thing that it helps in is there is this disease, there's this condition which affects the knees, the elbows and all. It is called psoriasis, or okay, yeah, something like that, whereby you feel itchy, and also it helps in a different manner. Remember I told you there are two different strategies that I have gotten the privilege to try, and so one of those ways one of those ways helps in doing away with that condition. Well, the other benefit of using lemon is that you can glow. You can glow. Let me just look at my guide right here. It also, yeah, it is also good. It's also a good fruit. Is it a fruit or a vegetable? It's also a good exfoliating factor. It helps in removing excess oils and impurities from your pores. It also reduces the risk of breakouts. Remember, we want to do away with blackheads. It helps with all that. That is lemon for you, but you have to know how to use it effectively, and we're going to be looking at that. And as we do that, please just make sure that you do like this video, you watch the video to the very end, shares out there, tell someone about this channel. Let's now go to the side effects, all the precautions, like the things you have to like start watching out for. The first thing about lemon, it doesn't apply for all skin types. It isn't. If it's working for me, I always tell you guys, if it's working for me, it doesn't mean it is going to work for you. But why not give it a try? Why not give it a shot? Maybe it's going to work for you, or maybe a product did not work for me, it might work for you. So the first thing you should know about lemon, it can cause skin irritation. It can cause skin irritation if you have super sensitive skin, and so you should be very careful while applying lemon onto your skin. Well, when you talk about skin irritation, it is whereby you feel some kind of itchiness, or your skin starts to turn red. Okay, your face starts to turn red. Now you look God, kubaya. So the other thing about lemon, it also increases the risk of sunburn. Yeah, because it also increases the risk of sunburn. This is because they have high concentrations of vitamin C, which increases that factor. And this vitamin C makes your skin super sensitive to, what do you call sun rays? UV rays. Yes. So do not apply it directly. I'm going to guide you on how to apply it. Okay. It also causes something else called cytophotodermatitis. Okay, it is a skin reaction that occurs coming into contact with certain plants and herbs. I told you we have different types of skins. Yeah, so yeah, it's the same thing. This is just a revolving around the redness, the sensitivity and all, but in those big terms. Also, this one is chemical leuderma, whereby it is just rare. It's not so common. It's just a rare skin disorder in which you may get patches of white skin. Okay, like in some areas of your skin you see that you're white. Okay, I told you have to be super sensitive. We do not want to mess up with your skin. So that is another condition. With those conditions in mind, with those factors, if you still want to go ahead to use lemon onto your face, I'll be giving you a guide on how you can protect yourself. So the other thing we're going to look at is how to use lemon onto your face. Why do I keep on looking up? I've noticed that in some of my videos, I'm thinking, or the angels are talking to me. Anyways, the other condition you have on the next, okay, what were you saying? The next thing we're looking at is how I used it the first time and how I used it the second time. The first time I used to boil the lemon. I used to boil the lemon, drink the water, and still afterwards I would apply the lemon after removing it from the water, of which it was quite effective a little bit, but not that much. Remember, lemon is the water is good if you have that condition I was talking about, whereby you feel itchiness onto your knees and all. So if you boil and drink, it is very good for you. The other way, this is manner number 2. Okay, hope you have understood manner number 1. And okay, how many times was I using it? It would take me just once a day. I would do that at night. It was quite a long time ago. Okay, yeah, I would do it once a day. Okay, during the night routine. So the other way in which you can use a lemon is wash your lemon, cut a piece of the lemon, and then there are 2 different ways. People try to rub the piece onto your face and all directly and all, but just imagine if you have a sensitive skin and then you start having the white patches, you'll be like, Maureen told us. Well, what I do instead is you squeeze the lemon juice, okay, and then you apply that lemon juice onto your skin. Okay, you squeeze the juice, and then you apply it onto your skin. Remember, you have cut a piece of lemon, so you just squeeze it, and then that juice, you apply it on your face. You rub your face with this, make sure that it gets into that skin well, and then you're good to go. So the question is, what if I have a sensitive skin? Well, most of the times we're being advised to like not to use the lemon directly onto your skin. So you can always mix the lemon with a rose water, that is a toner. You can mix it with some water to reduce the acidity of the lemon. You can mix it with some water to reduce the acidity, and then now you apply it on your face. So rubbing, I don't recommend the rubbing and all, just squeeze it, and you'll even feel nice massaging your face and all. So the other question is, how long do you use it? How long do you use it? Well, if you have a sensitive skin already, you know, maybe twice a week. And so to see results, it will take some time. Twice a week, but then it will take some time. But then for me, I've been using it every single day during my morning routine. The sensitivity I feel mostly is here, or maybe if I have a breakout somewhere, you must feel the sensitivity. You can do it twice a week or thrice a week or every day, but precaution, do not overuse it. It can damage your skin. So go for the 2-3 times a week, or maybe go for every day a week. But then when you start seeing like some results, because it's very effective. Actually, this is the first product I'm seeing to effective. One of the first products, but anyway, if you feel that it is actually effective, you can reduce the number of times that you use it to now maybe once a week, twice a week. Yeah, and in this new strategy, in this new way, I use it during the morning routine, in the morning. So there you go. Does it work or not? Go try and find out. But it works for some people, for others it doesn't. So thank you for watching this far. If you found value in this video, I really appreciate it. If you liked the video, told you I am right here for you anytime. So if you have any question, you can talk to me in the comment section. You can talk to me via my social media pages, which are in the description. And do make sure that you share out there, tell someone about this channel, share this video out there, and make sure that you do subscribe for free. Yeah, it's free to subscribe, and then turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any upcoming review. Remember, I'll be doing more reviews, more products. I have done others. I'll be placing that link in the description. You do not want to miss out. And so for more on that, just click right here to watch more of my videos. Let's meet right here.